Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, we are in October, and I'm down here in the new lavender patch, and I just got done harvesting what was left of some of our flowers because the deer have been eating them. And I started walking through the lavender patch, and the deer are eating the lavender. Now, lavender is supposed to be deer resistant. Deer are not supposed to like it because of the aromatic of it, the fragrance and the oils that are in it. But nobody told the deer that because they are just mowing this stuff right down. We've had a lot of problems this year with the deer eating our flowers, and they have completely destroyed, see over here, this entire patch here. The only thing that they're pretty much letting alone as of right now is the verbena, but they are starting to get close to it. This patch was actually just getting ready to start blooming. So they did eat the bloom off of the one that was getting ready to bloom, and I had seen that, blooms were coming on different ones, but they have gone through and they've eaten them off. So even though something says that it's supposed to be deer resistant and deer are not supposed to like it, they will still eat it if they get desperate enough for food. But yeah, I don't recall in all the years of growing lavender that I've ever seen the deer eat it. I'm really hoping they don't eat the rest of it. And I was hoping that this was going to bloom because I need more lavender, and that was the whole purpose of planting this, was so that I could get my crop out of it, and they're just going through and eating the stuff. Some of the plants, they're actually pulling them out of the ground. They started ripping out the dahlias, and they started ripping out the carnations. I hope that they do not start ripping out the lavender. These were all seedlings here. People say you can't grow lavender from seed, but you can. And I do have videos on my channel for how to start lavender from seed. So these here were all seedlings here that were just started this year because I wanted another lavender patch. And I thought, okay, the deer are leaving this alone. I was going to actually put in more lavender patches, and then they started eating it. So I'm definitely going to have to figure out some type of fencing or something to try and keep the deer out. The fence that we have up around the garden, the deer started busting that down, and they completely destroyed the vegetable garden. There's nothing left even in it. They wiped out 30 tomato plants and everything else that we had in there. So we are having issues definitely this year with the deer. Yeah, you can see what they did to this plant here. They just chomped it off and down. It's going to make the plants bushier, but it's not what I wanted. So I just wanted to show you this here. You do have to watch where you step because they're leaving their evidence behind that they were there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells us to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!